Obtaining the Red Seal certification in Canada is a significant achievement for skilled tradespeople. Here are the steps for a foreigner to get the Red Seal certification. 1. Determine eligibility. Ensure you have the required education, training, and experience in a designated Red Seal trade. 2. Assess qualifications. Get your credentials assessed by a recognized Canadian assessment agency to determine if your skills meet Canadian standards. 3. Apply for apprenticeship. If your qualifications match, apply for an apprenticeship in your trade through provincial territorial authorities or employers. 4. Complete apprenticeship. Successfully complete the required on-the-job training and classroom instruction as an apprentice. 5. Document work hours. Keep track of your work hours and progress during the apprenticeship. 6. Pass certification exam. Prepare for and pass the Red Seal examination, which evaluates your trade skills and knowledge. 7. Obtain employer's recommendation. Secure a positive recommendation from your employer, endorsing your skills and competence. 8. Apply for Red Seal. Apply for the Red Seal certificate through the relevant provincial territorial apprenticeship authority. 9. Pay fees. Pay the required fees for assessment, examination, and certification processing. 10. Receive Red Seal. Upon successful completion, receive your Red Seal certificate, which validates your skills nationwide.